The first smart use of ChatGPT is clarity. A lot of inventors describe their invention in terms of excitement. That makes sense. You built something, you care about it, but a patent attorney needs more than enthusiasm. They need to understand what makes it unique. So before the consultation, use ChatGPT to help you answer simple but important questions like, what problem does this invention solve? What's the invention in one sentence? How does it work at a high level? What makes it different from existing alternatives? What's the core mechanism or concept? That's not about asking ChatGPT whether you deserve a patent. It's about forcing yourself to explain the idea clearly. And that matters because a clearer explanation can help your attorney see the invention faster. So the goal here is simple. Use ChatGPT to move from vague excitement to clear explanation. The second smart use is in extracting detail. Many inventors underdescribe their invention because they assume the details are obvious. So use ChatGPT to help you list key features, optional features, alternative versions, use case variations, materials, components, or system pieces, and what could change without changing the core concept. This is one of the best prep exercises you can do because it forces you to think beyond the main version in your head. Remember, ChatGPT is not drafting the legal asset. It's helping you uncover more of the raw material that your attorney can then use strategically. Here's another smart move that most inventors miss. Use ChatGPT to help summarize where and how the invention may be used. Ask things like, who would use this? In what settings could this be used? What industries might care about it? What problem does it solve in each context? Are there adjacent markets where this concept would also apply? That helps in two ways. First, it helps sharpen your explanation. Second, it could help your patent attorney to understand the commercial context around your invention. And this often matters when thinking strategically about what's worth protecting and how broadly to think about the opportunity. This may be the most practical use of all. Instead of showing up with a pile of disconnected thinking, use ChatGPT to help you organize it into something cleaner. For example, ask it to help you create a simple document with sections like invention summary, problem solved, key features, variations, likely use cases, what you believe is new, what questions you want answered. That's gold in a consultation. ChatGPT can help you organize your thinking so your patent attorney can spend more time on legal judgment. Now let's make this useful by being clear what not to do. Don't use ChatGPT to decide whether your invention is definitely patentable, what claims you should file, whether your disclosure is legally safe, whether a search result kills the idea, and whether you can skip a patent attorney. A bad use of ChatGPT makes you overconfident. A smart use of ChatGPT makes you better prepared. So if you want to use ChatGPT the right way before talking to a patent attorney, here's a simple framework. Use it to clarify the invention, to list features and variations, summarize possible use cases, organize your notes, prepare stronger questions, and then stop. Because once the raw material is clearer, the next step is not more AI. The next step is legal judgment. That's where your patent attorney helps you move from idea to strategy, notes to legal analysis, possibilities to real protection decisions. And that's the smartest way to use ChatGPT in the patent process. So how should you use ChatGPT before talking to a patent attorney? Use it to prepare better. Use it to clarify your invention, use it to organize your thinking, use it to show up with stronger notes and smarter questions. Then bring that work to myself and my team so that we can do the part ChatGPT can't do, to guide the legal strategy correctly. Because the goal is not to show up sounding polished. The goal is to show up ready for the right conversation. Use Goldstein intellectual property to protect smarter. If you found this helpful, subscribe. And if you want to have a more productive patent consultation with better preparation and better legal guidance, connect with me.